Greetings everyone, this is 7G Stupid Panda and we're gonna do an unboxing and review of the awesome mousepad ROG Balteus QI. Before we continue, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below and bash the ding dong bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Alright, so we're gonna start unboxing the awesome mouse. Alright, so I actually have already removed the stickers on the bottom because before you get this, you better make sure that whatever's inside is in good condition. So we're gonna open it. Alright, so what you're gonna find inside is the pad. Alright, the pad, cables. Right, so on this cable there's two USB. Alright, so this is the pad. There you go, logo here, and then the QI here. This QI is where you put your charging, if you want to charge your cell phone or whatever, or if you have a charger, if you have a mouse that you can charge here, you can put it up there. Alright, so we have this one here, the device on top, which connects on this here, and also controls the lights. Alright, and also included in the box is another cable. So this cable is used here. You will need to plug it just up here, and then you need to plug this on a charger, or you plug it on your computer also. But if you don't have enough USB slot on your computer, you just plug this on a charger, or if you have an extension cord which have a USB charging capabilities, then you plug this, because this is the one which will connect here on the QI right here. So you will be able to charge your wireless mouse or your cell phones on it. Alright, so this one goes up here. I'm gonna show you later. Alright, so included in the box is this manual, and as usual the awesome stickers of the ROG, the metallic aluminum stickers. So alright, so that's what's inside the box. This is just a short video, so keep watching until the end. It's just short. Alright, so what's awesome with this is an ROG. So if you like collecting ROGs and you like to spend too much money, because for just a mouse pad it costs like in Philippines like 6,000 something, and if you get lucky you can get it around 5,800, 5,600 if you get lucky. Alright, I don't know whose phone is that. So at the back there's this awesome I don't know so it's like a engrave writings. See? writings of the ROG. It's really awesome. So it's like a rubberized, so when you put it on top of the table, it will not move because of this awesome rubber type. It's really nice. Look at the printout. It's like Japanese, English, and like Chinese. I don't know, but you can also see. Alright. Plastics go. There you go. So give me a couple of minutes. I will just plug it in and show you what it looks like. Right, I have it connected. Alright, so this is already the mouse pad, and I will show you how to charge using the ROG Chakram mouse. This is the mouse that's capable of QI charging. It's called the ROG Chakram. You can just check the description below, and I have a video showing unboxing of this mouse. Awesome mouse. So I'm gonna put it here and gonna show you when it charges. So I'm gonna put it on the circle QI charging. Alright, a little. Alright, so move it a little bit here. Okay, so you can see right here there's a blue light blinking right down here. Whoop, right here. So it's blinking blue, meaning the mouse is charging. So while you're watching movies, you can put your mouse here or your cell phone to have it charged. So it's awesome. So that's the symbol. And also the lighting is really nice and bright. The mouse pad it has this rough surface. It's not soft. If you're used to a soft mouse pad, you have to get used to this hard surface. But it's really cool. So this is it. There's the software they use this one, the Armory Crate. That's what the ROG stuff that you have. This is the software they use. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer it to this view. So this is the software, and there's this sync device right here. So I have the Claymore, the Chakram, the memory in the computer. This is the ROG Balteus QI. I did not link it here, right here. I did not link it. Let's see if I can zoom it. That doesn't allow zooming. Alright, so I did not activate the sync on all of the ROG. This one, the ROG Claymore Chakram, I did not sync it because if you go here if you solo the settings of the mouse pad, there's this glowing yo-yo. If you look at it closely right here on this edge, see there's this nice light sweep. There's this lights that runs around, so it looks awesome. So it's just a short video because it's just an ROG mouse pad. There's nothing much to explain on it, but it's an awesome additional if you collect the ROG stuff, if you want to like a combo everything like this. So I have this stuff. And then I'm planning also to change this keyboard, this ROG keyboard. Oh shit. Alright, because this type of keyboard you can remove the numpad. So when you hold it up, you break it because you can plug it back. Oh, oops! One of the buttons is removed also. Put it back. All right. Okay. Before I end this video, there is a tip that I would like to share with you. This mouse pad has 3 USB, so it will eat like 3 slots on your USB on your motherboard. So I have this extension box right here. Just a second. Alright, so I'm pulling it. Alright, see, this is an extension box. So in my extension box I have also, oh gosh, somebody like me on my stream. I'm not on stream right now. Alright, so okay, so on this extension box I have this plenty of slots of USB charging. You can charge stuff here in this extension box. So the cable for QI charging, I plug it right here, so it won't eat the slots on my motherboards. I use this box. I bought this in Lazada, awesome box. It's expensive, but it has this it has like a surge protector. It's like it's automatic surge protection device inside it. So it keeps whatever you plug in safe, and it has so many slots you can plug in, and also USB charging. So I plugged the third USB on this one, so also it will save one slot on your motherboard. So that's it. So if you have this, it's much better. Alright, so before I end this video again, if in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below and bang that ding dong bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. So oh gosh, another ring on my phone.